Good morning and welcome to Vaidya Online Classroom. Dear learners, here I am Banwali Vishwas, Assistant Teacher from Vaidya Secondary School, Mancha, Pogirhat, Bagirhat. Dear learners, I hope you are safe and you are also busy with your lesson. Now I will take a class on English. Dear learners, let's enjoy the classes. Dear learners, at first I will show you a picture. You will see and try to guess what is she in the picture. Dear learners, look here and guess who is she. Okay, you are right. She is Pritilata Vaidyanathan. Today's our topic is they had dreams. Our today's topic, they had dreams. Part 1. Dear learners, at first I will show you some vocabs of new words. Activist, activist. Okay, activist means worker. Actually, worker who works in a political party or any social organization, it is noun. Okay, then combat, combat, battle. It is also noun. Then colonial, see, colonial. It means imperial, imperial. It is adjective. And you know colonial rule means ruled by a powerful country over a poor or weaker country. And then resistance, fight, it is also noun. Protect also. And gender discrimination, gender discrimination, it is inequality or difference between male and female. Okay, it is focused in this text. Now, dear learners, open your textbook 136 page, Unit 10 and Lesson 3. Unit 10, Lesson 3, topic. They had dreams. Part 1. Now we study part B. In this lesson, we read part B. Dear learners, Pritilata Padedar was born in Chattogram on 5 May 1911. She was a meritorious student at Dr. Khastagir Government Girls School in Chattogram, Eden College in Dhaka. Finally, she graduated in philosophy from Bethune College, Kolkata. She received distinction. Distinction means speciality or difference. In her college days, Pritilata was an activist in the anti-British movement. All through her life, she dreamed of two things: a society without gender discrimination and her motherland free from British colonial rule. So, she decided to fight against the British rule. Soon after, Pritilata became the head teacher of Nandan Kanon Aparnacharan School in Chattogram. Gradually means slowly, she involved herself in Surya Sen's armed resistance movement. Surya Sen was a famous anti-British movement organizer and revolutionary activist in Chattogram area at that time. In 1932, Surya Sen planned an attack on the Pahartoli European Club. The club was well known for its notorious sign as its entrance: dogs and Indians not allowed. Surya Sen assigned Pritilata to lead a team of 10 to 11 men to attack the club. The raid was successful, but Pritilata, dressed as a man, failed to get out of the club. She committed suicide by taking potassium cyanide to avoid arrest. She proved that women can work like men. She also proved that women too needed to be prepared to sacrifice her or their lives for freedom from the British colonial rule, her dream finally came true. The British rule came to an end in 1947, though she could not see it during her lifetime. Dear learners, you have understood this. Now I will ask some question and you will try to answer it. Dear learners, I think you have attentively listened me and now you will try to answer me. It's Pritilata was it the first question. When was Pritilata born? She was born on 5 May in 1911. Where did she study? She studied Dr. Hastagir Girls School, Eden College, and then Bethune College. Where is Bethune College? It is in Kolkata. Bethune College. Okay. What was her profession? Her profession was teaching. Number 4. When did she fight against British? In 1932. And then when she fight against anti-British. Sorry, she involved in anti-British organizer. What was her profession? She was head teacher. Yes, head teacher. Head teacher. How she died? How she died? She committed suicide. She committed suicide. Suicide. Committed suicide. Why she committed suicide? To avoid arrest. To avoid arrest. How many people were in the team that attacked Pahartuli British Club? 10 to 11, okay? And when she died, the date of her death, it is 24 September 1932. How many dreams he had? How many dreams he had? He had actually 2 dreams. And her 2 dreams are fulfilled now. Her 2 dreams are on is to free her motherland from British rule, and another there is no gender discrimination in the society. Like Pritilata, we also in this situation have 2 dreams. One is to keep ourselves safe and from invisible enemy who is called novel coronavirus, and to carry on our life normally as soon as possible from all the words life now we are living. Now from the lesson we can easily learn her date of birth. She was born in 5 May 1911 and studied Dr. Khastagir Government Girls School in Chattogram and then the Eden College in Dhaka, and gradually finally she graduated in philosophy with distinction from Bethune College in Kolkata, and after study she joined school as a teacher, actually head teacher in Nandankanon Aparnacharan High School in Chattogram. From her student life, she involved herself in anti-British movement, and when she was head teacher in Chattogram, then there was a famous organization, Surya Sen, which is anti-British movement organization, and she involved herself with them and planned to attack European club, which was notorious and not allowed to entrance Indians and dogs. Here they underestimate Indians like dogs, and she committed suicide to avoid death in 24 September 1932 to avoid arrest, and finally from this lesson we can learn that women are equally powerful and needed to fight against any corruption, and Pritilata is the great example. We have come to the end of the class. I will come back again with another class. Till then, you will keep yourself safe and try to be busy with your lesson. Thank you very much.